I got a box from Diamond Art Club. I'm getting ready to open it. Half of it's for me. Half of it is for someone else. So let's dig in. Okay. This is not for me. This is for my daughter-in-law. She's got 3 kids, and these are tough to open. I use a straightener end on the end of my pen to pop that open, and it works like a charm. I don't have any fingernails anymore. They're very small because I've broken a few off doing that. So I have told her, use the end of a straightener, use the straightener end, put it on your pen, keep a cheap pen in here, and just pop it open. And I also use Tic Tac containers to fit at the top so that you can fit up to 60. I had as much as 63 colors in this thing. And you can do more because you don't have to use all the big ones. If your canvas is smaller, say you have 70 colors, you don't need all the big ones. You can just use small ones and a bunch of Tic Tac containers. So that's what I did. And it worked great. So this is for her. And this is for her. This is the new calendar. She's going to love it. I have a calendar, but it's the old one. And I'm not sure where it is. It could be underneath the box. No, it is not. So she has the Diamond Art Club calendar, which has all the new images on it. And she won't have to make any corrections like with the Hobby Lobby one. So she can just dig right in. So this is for her, an early birthday present. Now, what did I get? So I'm not opening these. So let me put these aside. I like to do minis anytime we go out. So I got drinks kit. They're so colorful. And sweet treats. I have one of these already. But I'm getting ready to start my classes again for the library. And I am excited to get things going. So how can I open this without... Okay, I think I've seen people do this number. Cut this off. And then you just slide... Okay, come on. Okay, why won't you work with me here? Got it. So this is drinks. haven't seen these yet. Ooh. I love colorful canvases, and these have a lot of colors. Therefore, I will have a lot of fairy dust left over because there are 20 colors, and they're all fairy dust. All fairy dust. So let's see, we have, this one is a matcha. This one is a cocoa. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry about that. Okay, this is a cocoa, a matcha. This one is a boobala tea. This one is a smoothie, and it's probably going to be my favorite. This one is a lemonade, and this one is a coffee. I like coffee as well. I am going to have fun completing these in the car or wherever. I do them at the dinner table for when dinner's done and we're all sitting around the table just chit-chatting. My fingers have to be doing something. So I pull one of these out and knock it out while I'm sitting at the table and everyone is chit-chatting. And everybody's happy that way. This one, okay. This one is Sweet Treats. This one has 20 colors and 18 fairy dust and 2 ABs. More colors for me. Oh, I didn't show you. These do come with a tray, but it's a small one. And it comes with the single placer and a multi-placer and the wax. And I believe it also comes with putty. It comes with the twist pen. Yep, putty and baggies. So these little, I like these little trays. They're great for traveling. And then of course our drills are all, oh, I think they're doing it different now. Let me see. Yep, they're not individually packed any longer. It's all one big long train now. They used to come individual. Oh, these are so pretty. Pretty colors. They're going to be nice to add to my collection of fairy dust. And I will fight with this later. But let's finish with this. I do want to open the drinks and see how they came packaged. We have the chocolate cake. We have the cupcake. Anybody who knows me knows I love my donuts. We have a lollipop. We have a chocolate candy bar and an ice cream cone. Wonderful. They're beautiful. They're all partials. You don't do the outside. You just do the actual design. and they frame really nicely. So my other ones are all individual, so I can give my daughter-in-law one if she wants to try them, because they are individually wrapped, which I really liked. So these are the desserts. Oh, did you see that? One came out. So let's make sure we're not open. We'll do that one. Uh-oh. Can you see this? We have a package that's open. I think it's this one. Let me see. No, it's not that one. Okay. No, not that one. Not that one. I don't think it's that one. Don't see them coming out of this one. Not this one. I'm not sure. Not sure at all. I'm not 100% sure either what color it is. So I will figure this out later. Let me just put them all back in here. All collected. Whoever showed me this trick, thank you. They're back the way they're supposed to. All right, let me see these drills. There's our thing, and yep, they are not individually packed anymore. I'm a little bummed, but it's okay, because I would just kit them up and they would have to do them while I'm there instead of taking them home and working on them, because I can't break up the package anymore. Nice. Love these oranges. Oh, that yellow is pretty. Nice. So, that is what I got in the box. And these minis are for me. Here's my toolkit. Like I said, another small tray. And these are all fairy dust. So I will have to come up with another way so that people can take them home and try them, because they're not, these drills are not individually packed anymore. It'll be all right. We will figure it out. We got this. Whoops. We'll tape it. So that is my new items from Diamond Art Club. I hope you all have a great day. Happy New Year. And we will see you